Hey, hey. I think everybody probably noticed that we were a little bit late to the stage. We were having a big technical issue that can be really small. And we like to say that, you know, I'll tell you what it is. It's this fucking big stupid screen we got behind us. And it's not fucking working.
Let's everybody give the screen the finger.
It may work now. But you know what we always say? You don't go home whistling a light show. You go home whistling songs and singing songs. This night is about us and you guys, right? Yeah. And we are only as good as you guys are. We get better and better the more you get better and better. That's the way this works. Before we play this next song, I want to tell you a little story. You may not know this next song, so the story helps, I think. It was really inspired by a Frenchman who went all the way to New York City in 1974. And he set up a wire between the Twin Towers. And that crazy bastard walked across that wire. Now, I don't know about you, but for me, I'm extremely scared of heights. Even this feels kind of high for me. And I was thinking, why the hell would anybody do a stupid thing like that? And then we got talking and we said, maybe he was building a bridge to get over something really, really, really big in his life, where every single step counts. So if you know this song, please join in with us. This song is called Man on a Wire. So beautiful. Who'd have thought I'd see you with someone else?